There's a new feature that I came across on LinkedIn that I believe is a paid feature, but it can be well worth it. The way you use it is first from your homepage, go to your My Network tab, and you'll see this tab here, Catch Up. And what it allows you to do, it's going to give you a list of all of your connections who've changed jobs, have birthdays, work anniversaries, maybe even some who graduated from college. But it lists them here for you. And what you can do is look through this for the people you're connected with who you can offer services to. So here, I did this yesterday. Jess started a position as the founder. On my business, I sell to CEOs and founders my fractional sales services. So I sent her a message saying, I hope I can help with your service. Congratulations on your new position, and leave it at that. I did the same thing here for Parker. He started a position as the CEO. But no matter what you sell, look for people that you have contacts with who you can be of service to. So let me give you an example. Maybe you sell to, this is all of your, maybe you sell to entrepreneurs. Maybe you sell copywriting services to entrepreneurs. Or maybe you sell to real estate agents. Here's Ray Harris, is a real estate agent, starting a new career. You just click that. And I like to put in my own, so you might say, 2024, hope it's a great year for you. Let me know if I can help. You know, and you make it personalized so it stands away. Other people are going to congratulate them, but you want your message to stand out. So I'm just going to leave this here since I don't offer copywriting service. So I'll just take this out and I'll send them the message, and off it goes. And they get, it's just an easy, quick way for you to stay in contact with your connections and offer your services where appropriate. And it can really help make your year a really good one. So if you don't know about this, I hope it helps you. I think it will be really helpful for everyone, particularly salespeople.